You're in the southeast of Spain, guys, you've got to visit the Cartagena guns. So if you're down in the Murcia region, between Cartagena and Mazarrón, in this video here, you can see, is a video I done a while back. I'll put a link below this video so you can watch it as well if you need to. And what it is, we're going down to Mazarrón town, onto Isla Plana. We're then taking the old Cartagena road. As we're going up to the mountains, on the right-hand side, you'll see a turning. It won't be marked, it won't say anything about the guns, but as long as you put the place where you're going to in your Google sat nav, it'll take you there. But it's worth a visit, guys. So if you didn't know, guys, this is the way up to the guns. They call it the Guns Cartagena, and they've just recently tarmacked the road, so that's going to make it a lot more better going up the road. But you see, it's quite a narrow road, so be careful with cyclists and cars coming the other way. But anyway, this is the way in. So one of the things you're going to notice as you're coming up the hill towards the guns is this place, which will be on the left hand side. And here at the moment you've got the times when the restaurant's open, so you want a nice cold drink, you can. And I'll just show you if you want to book as a reservation, because I know if you go onto their site, they do advise you to book it because it's all hand cooked. Anyway, just to give you some idea what this is, this was the old army camp for the guns. So this is where the military guys used to stay, and now it's been taken over, turned into what I class a a sort of a hiking, relaxing place. So some of these blocks over there especially have all been kitted out now. They've got their own little apartments, you've got an outdoor swimming pool, you've got the restaurant in the middle, you've got a sort of another dining area where that big green building has to park in, and at the back there it's still ongoing, but it's worth popping in. So this is a nice place to come in the afternoons. Now usually it's Fridays and the weekends it's open. If the gate's open, pop on in. You can get a nice meal if you want, typical Spanish meal, or a nice cool refreshing drink. But you've got amazing view. So we're about halfway up the road now. Still tarmacked, which is good. And this is a good place to pull over, guys, because this is also a viewpoint. And we're looking right down the valley there where we just come up. So we've come in over there and we've gone all the way up around this way. The last time I come here, you could read this. This is what the sun can do, but it's completely taken out the map there. But you got the port, Isla Plana. Amazing day today. Anyway, we're still moving on, but it's nice now that the road's nice and smooth, no potholes. So this is the main car park here, and we're just going to have a quick look up at the guns. It's my finger. We're going to go up here. We're not going to go. It's such a big complex, guys. It would take you a couple of hours, to be honest, because you've got another fort right up the top there. But yeah, at long last, the road's been done. It's all tarmacked. They've sorted out the car park as well. But at weekends, it gets busy. So if you want to come up here, I would come up in the week and visit it then. So here's another map. I think we're sort of around here somewhere. Oh no, we're up here thinking about it. And we're just going to go down here. They call this the Disney Castle because what's it got to do with the guns? But anyway, you can see here you got these turrets, but you're going to see the guns in just a mo. So I'm up on the what I call the top bit. There's a viewpoint. Now over that direction, it does go on further. But today, I'm just going to give you a quick show of the big guns. It doesn't take long. I think it's about 10 minutes. Just a gradual walk. Drink out the big puddle. Oh yeah. So here we are. Now I've done a few videos, not on Bonnie. Well, I have done a few videos on Bonnie, thinking about it. These are the big guns. These are the two big guns that you would see normally on a battle cruiser, and if you check those videos out, you get a better idea what these guns are all about. But obviously, this was Spain's coastal defence, because over in that direction is the Cartagena, and obviously that's where the Spanish Navy is. But also now the petroleum area. But now they're just shut, open to the public. It's up to how you want to have a look at it, but you can see you won't want to be on the end of that. So I hope you enjoyed that. We're going to go off to another place in the Mo. But yeah, visit again the Guns of Cartagena. It's worth a visit, guys.